Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Beko air conditioner to Wi-Fi so that you can control it with the help of your phone even when you are away from the home. Now, before you begin this connection process, you need to make sure that your Beko air conditioner supports the Wi-Fi, that you are basically connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, since Beko ACs don't have a 5 gigahertz during the setup. So once you have the AC that basically can be connected to Wi-Fi, you need to download this application which is called HomeWiz app. So you need to download and install it from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you need to sign in or create your account inside it. Now once this is done, you just have to turn your AC on. Then you need to put it into the Wi-Fi pairing mode. Now on most of the Beko models, you can do this by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on the remote for about 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator starts flashing. If your remote doesn't have a Wi-Fi button available, you can just simply check your model's user manual, because the pairing method can be different. Now once the Wi-Fi light is blinking, it means that your AC is now in the pairing mode. So now you need to simply open the application on your phone, and then simply press this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to simply choose the option of AC or air conditioner and simply follow simple instructions on the screen. When prompted, you need to enter your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi password and wait for the setup to finish. So once everything is finished, you are going to see that the Wi-Fi indicator light will stop flashing on your AC, and your Beko air conditioner will be successfully connected. So you will be able to adjust all of the things with the help of your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.